Okay, so now you know how to define variables and constants on Swift. Let's now talk a little bit about how you can control the flow of your program. So if you are new to programming, you may not know that there are some conditionals that you can use throughout your entire coding for something or something else to be done, or for something to be done repeatedly. For example, you can use the if else or the switch keywords to make conditionals for something or something else to happen according to a specific value. So let's do a little example in here. For example, I have the explicit type constant in here. I can do some evaluation to its value with the if keyword and evaluate if the explicit type is greater than 20. And if that is true, I need something to be done, and that something is going to be between these brackets. So in this case, for example, I may want to print um, even greater than 21, for example. Let's change this to age and age. And you can come in and have a drink, if the age is greater than 21. Else, if the age is not greater than 21, I will print you cannot come in, just like that. And as you can see, the value that is printed is you can come in and have a drink, because right now the age is 30.5. Now if I were to change this to 21, you can notice that the value is changed to you cannot come in, because the evaluation of this program is being done on real time. Now you may have already noticed that this is wrong, because if I'm 21 I should be able to come in and have a drink. So I will change this to greater than or equal than 21, like this. And now the program again tells me that I can come in. However, if I were 18, again, you cannot come in. So this is a very simple way to do this kind of evaluation. Another way that you can add evaluations is with the switch keyword. The switch keyword works very similar to what the if-else keywords do, but you have a little bit more options, or rather is easier if you want to have more options. To use the switch case scenario, I'm going to provide here the switch keyword, and what I want to switch is the age, and I'm going to set the brackets in here, because in here I'm going to set different cases. For example, in case this is 18, I want to do something else. Something like this. Case 18, you can drive, but you can drink. In case this is 21, I will print you can do both. And for this switch case code to work, I always need to add a default. So the default will execute when the age is neither 18 nor 21. In this case, I will print something, and you can see immediately that because the age right now is 18, it prints something. If I were to change it to 21, it prints the other thing. And if I were to change it to something else, it just prints something. So that's how the switch case works.